Yo, g'day guys. It's been a while between videos. Clevo King here. My wide XD Ute has been pretty much trouble free since I've put it together. Just a bit over 2 years now, but something's caught me out today. I'm going to show you guys what it is. It's got a lot of vibration, it's had a very loud exhaust. A lot of people have been asking me what am I doing for a cam, and when I tell them how small the cam is, they actually don't believe me. So what I'm going to do now is drop the collectors, drop the rear half of the pipe, see what's going wrong on the driver's side, drop the other half, but first I'm going to turn it on, have a bit of a listen, see what's wrong. Pretty much ripped the muffler clean off, guys. Moved house recently, put way too much shit on the back of the Ute, like way too much. What I'm going to do quickly, rip the exhaust off, see exactly what's going on. Might be running this straight pipe tonight, guys. It's going to be quite loud. Yo! Who wants to hear a straight pipe? Oh yeah! We'll have a bit of a look. Got these couple of nuts here to undo on the collector flange, and then underneath we'll have to undo the exhaust hanger up the back there. Alright guys, so we've undone those 3 collector bolts. I can see we've got a split muffler. Let's undo these 2 bolts up the back here holding her on, rip the bitch out. Alright guys, let's have a look. Let's have a look what happened, guys. This has been in the Ute for a while. Oh, that's what happened. The muffler split. Oh. Wow, see how the muffler's not even that old, guys. The glass hasn't even burnt out. It is a double glass packed, meant to be good. Right guys, so there you go, 2 years in. Oh look, I'll be honest, I way overloaded the Ute, and it's hooked up on a few things, so you can see there, bang, bang, bang. Alrighty boys, that's it. Let's get the other side off and we'll hear some straight pipe goodness. Yo! I've heard some funny noises in the last few days out of these bad boys, eh? I have hooked them up once or twice, but have a look at these guys. These outlaw stainless mufflers, they're split pretty much all the way around the rim on both sides. It's kind of my fault they have bottoms out, but didn't think they'd break so easy. Ute's hardly done any work. Let's go and wash my hands, boys. Alright, so stainless mufflers, outlaw mufflers from Mackay. Can't really take that much of a beating, it seems, guys. Oi, who's ready to hear this thing straight pipe? First time I've heard this thing with no pipes, boys. What do you say we give it a bit of a rev? Yeah, that is mint. Yeah, boys. Alrighty. So we need about, what do you reckon? We'd probably be looking at about 16 inches of Steno welding here. Maybe just a new pair of mufflers. Get it in the exhaust shop, see what they say. Thanks for watching, boys. Smash that like and subscribe. We got some new muffies on here. See what you boys think. Yo!